buno n'akazi ni imiziki. Uzi imiziki ngiye kubahereza nico bita umuzigo. Noneho munyitege abo bose baba baje baravuga ngo uriya ngo yarazimya wapi. For me, my research it was about that, but also about like to make a drone. Can you make it? I know
A drone?
Yeah.
A drone?
Yeah, drone.
And it flies up there?
Yeah.
That is your research?
Yeah, that was what I was, even at school. There is what I made, which is a drone. And also I know to make like a bomb.
Hey, you even know how to make the bomb?
My new dreams is to be a
Scientific.
of everything in the world. Everything, not to be like a scientific for one thing. No. Izuba rirasira abakiri n'abakene imvura ku muhanda ndetse no mu gipangu natekerezaga ko ndakura ndi marine. Tega amatwi nkubwire iyi ni story yanjye. Izuba rirasira abakiri n'abakene imvura ku muhanda ndetse no mu gipangu natekerezaga ko ndakura ndi marine. Tega amatwi nkubwire iyi ni story yanjye. Hi, Kega Soji. So now I'm from the school. You know, I'm a student. I'm not like the time I was in the street. So now I'm going to see Bhakti. I'm seeing his car up there. That is why I'm still here. Yeah, this is my home. You see, it is very quiet. You can see everywhere. I'm rich. I don't think I'm going to buy all of here. Simubizi s'abafana. Ubu noneho murabizi yuko navuye ku ishuri. Ubu none akazi ni imiziki. Uzi imiziki ngiye kubahereza nico bita umuzigo. Noneho munyitege abo bose baba baje baravuga ngo uriya ngo yarazimya wapi. Ubundi ngiye kwaka noneho nkita do. Simubizi noneho ngenda narenze ngenda babandi bose babishyira hejuru. Ubu noneho ngewe interview ubu ngiye gukora abantu ndabizi yuko nyine abenshi cyane bari kubireba. Noneho kuba mvuye ku ishuri sinabona ibyo mvuga ni fire mwoto. Uzi ibintu bigiye kuba mwebwe nyine ubundi agapfundikiye gatera amatsiko. Mwebwe munyitege muraje murebe icyo bita fire. Ubu noneho ndareba Bhakti ari imbere yanjye. Ubu noneho ngiye kuvugana nawe. Ariko uzi ukuntu nsinda mu ishuri cyane bimwe bitanavuga. Ubu noneho I'm seeing Bhakti in front of me. Oh, Bhakti, I'm seeing you there. How are you?
Good. You?
Awesome, I'm fine. I'm from school.
You're from school?
Yeah. Yeah.
What up?
Meze
gute se? Kuza wifashe nk'umuntu ufite ubwoba.
Ubwoba se bwari kuranyibaye. Undi gutya niko abakire tukenda.
Abakire.
Kunye sindi umukire byose. Sindi umukire sindi n'umukene.
So ugenda buhoro na stress. Bimeze gute?
Bimeze sawa.
Hashize igihe tutabonana.
Kinini cyane.
Wari uri hehe se?
Ku ishuri amasomo yari menshi cyane. Cyane.
Amasomo harya mwiga amasomo angahe?
Twebwe twiga amasomo 6.
1
GP
2
PE
3
Math
4
Science
5
English
6
BK
7
there are very many.
So what's up?
What's up, bro?
They told me nowadays you don't speak Kinyarwanda.
I speak Kinyarwanda. How is it that I can forget my language?
You can't forget your language.
Yeah, even I will never forget it. Yeah.
So how is everything at school?
At school is okay.
I'm
getting good marks. Yeah.
And which is good. Improving, eh?
Yeah.
Okay.
How I was before, it is not like now.
Before he was not good in school.
Yeah, before I could get out of 100. Yeah, before I could get like 15.
15.
Imagine out of 100.
Out of 100.
But in these days, I'm getting
Hold it well.
Not
Hold the
not
microphone
18.
like uh
I'm getting above 50.
above 50.
Yes.
Oh, so you're clever now.
Yeah, I'm clever.
Okay. And tell me everything at school. How is everything at school?
At school,
The microphone, hold it well.
At school,
Like the superstar.
at school, it is very hard. Do you think you can start there without when you are like when you don't know anything?
Mm,
They are going to chase you.
mm,
Like also when you take their bad behavior.
So, last time you told me when you go to school, you're going to do researches.
Yeah.
You want to do some research and you teach us.
For me, the research for my have.
Uh-huh,
Even for me, I'm a very intelligent boy.
uh-huh. Okay. Tell me about your research.
My research was about like mammals, you know mammals.
Yeah.
And also there's mammals and mummies.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
What is the difference between mammals and mummies?
Because mummies,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, the other things which is like TP.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
What is TP?
It is papier hygienique.
Uh-huh. Toilet paper.
Yeah, toilet paper.
Uh-huh. Those are mummies.
And mm, ma
Mammals?
mammals. Nabivuze nabi
Mhm.
ntabwo bayita mammals.
Mm-hmm.
Eh,
Bayita gute?
tubayita kugenda ariko nyibagirwa. We call it Madam Samaki in Kinyarwanda. How do you call it in English? Remind me.
Madam Samaki?
Yeah.
I don't know how they call it in English.
Jesus.
Eh,
Oh,
if you don't know your research, well, what else do you want from me?
for me, my research was about that,
Uh-huh.
but also about like to make a drone. Can you make it? I know
A drone?
Yeah,
A drone?
yeah, drone.
And it flies up there?
Yeah,
Uh-huh. That is your research?
yeah. That was what I was even at school.
Uh-huh.
There is what I made,
Mm.
which is a drone.
At school, you made
At
the drone?
School, yeah.
You're lying, man.
Jesus,
So what things did you combine to make that drone?
you first get wires,
Wires,
get a motor,
a motor,
and also get a battery.
battery. Which battery? Like the normal batteries?
No, not for car.
Yeah, huh?
No, that is a lot of voltage.
Okay, so you need a
Like the other one of in radios.
radios?
Yeah,
Okay, the batteries for radio.
yeah.
Uh-huh.
And then you get Mokamira.
Mokamira,
Box of Mokamira.
the milk?
Yeah, the milk.
Uh-huh.
But not
Not the jellican?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
And the other one.
The
like a
box one.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. The pocket.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
And you take it, bring it for me. I'm going to make that drone and it is going to work.
So how is it going to work? Because I don't understand. If you get wires, you get the motor, you get the battery, and you
And
get
also wheels.
what?
Wheels.
Wheels. Okay, the wheels. Uh-huh.
Yeah. Only.
Mm-hmm.
But if I say that,
Mm.
people they are going to make it.
Mm.
When it is my own,
Research.
yeah.
Mm.
It means that I'm going to make it and I show it to you.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you don't want to tell them your secrets.
Yeah, that is my best secret.
Eh,
And when they take it,
no, they don't have to take
my
your research, your
Yeah.
knowledge.
my knowledge.
Mm-hmm.
And also I know to make like a bomb.
Uh-huh. Hey, you even know how to make the bomb.
Aha! Just get a sand.
The sand,
A sand.
essence,
Yeah. And
petrol.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
And get acid.
Acid. Which acid? There's too many different types of acid.
The acid from in a battery of radio.
Radio battery,
Yeah, and you get the other acid which is in.
which is inside the battery.
Yeah.
Okay.
And get like a plate. A plate.
The plate. Okay.
Two of them. And put in essence
Mhm.
in one, another one putting up. Cover.
You cover
Yeah.
the plate.
Yeah, and
So
you,
you use two plates.
yeah. The one of down and the one of covering up.
Okay.
And you cut something like a hole.
Uh-huh.
You cut in something
Mm.
and you put in anything which can like get the itchability. Mungambi, yeah, you know it.
Okay.
And then you put it in.
The matchstick.
Yeah, and you do and you put in. You are going to see it is going to burst. Even your house is going to burst.
So do you think what makes it bursting like that, like the bomb?
Yeah, because they are that essence. Yeah.
Essence mixing with the acid?
Yeah. It can burst. Even you cannot see any water.
So why do you trying to do those scaring researches like making the bombs?
Yeah, because that is what my knowledge tell me. Because there is a time all of them they are going to need.
To need the bombs?
Yeah.
Like you and me and everybody?
No.
Eh.
Soldiers.
Soldiers.
Yeah, you know when you are like in America. You know you can find when America is the first country which can colonize people.
Colonizing people.
Yeah, and you might find when why they colonize us, it is because their powers. For them they use bombs and guns, and they think for us Rwandan we don't. African people we don't have knowledge. Yeah.
We do have knowledge.
For us we have knowledge, but we don't know to use it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what are you advising people with the knowledge, but they don't know how to use it?
Yeah, just tell them that you be ready for what is going to come for you. You know, you cannot know in the future. You might find when you are going to come a scientific like me. I have left
Hey,
everything.
you're a scientific now?
Yeah.
Oh, man. You're so dope, man.
And you might find when you are going to come a doctor. You might find when you are going to come a soldier. Things like that.
I remember last time you told me you have the dreams to become a soldier.
Because you know when you are still young, you have a lot of dreams. And you choose one of it which can be good for you.
Okay.
Because I have found if I be a soldier and I be a scientific and I be a president, how can that work?
It can't work. You can mix a lot of things, but you can start by being maybe a soldier. Maybe you can start by becoming a doctor, a scientific soldier, a president.
But also you, let me ask you. This time your brain is going to come burst.
Why?
Because a lot of things in your head. Do you think you're going to give your brain one infinity things in your head and you think it's going to
last?
It's going to burst.
Me, I think a lot, but I take the time to rest.
But if you rest and like you might find when you are resting and you are thinking other things, you are going to wake up when you find when your head have.
So you have done 2 researches. One is to make the drone, another one is to make the bomb.
No. Yeah. Even I can make a gun.
A gun?
Yeah.
For
me, I have.
You make me getting scared.
Or you think I'm lying.
Yeah. Even the gun?
The gun.
So how are you going to make the gun?
That is a secret way.
It's a secret?
Yeah.
Okay, let's wait. Reka tugaruke none mu Kinyarwanda. Gasugi bishize hari ibiganiro wadusigiye wakoraga ibiganiro byitwaga imihanda ya Gasugi ukagenda uhura n'abana bo mu mihanda ukabaganiriza. Ese iyo gahunda iracyakomeza?
Iracyakomeza, urumva nayerekera. Urumva rero igihe nyine nanjye ubuzima nye bwo mu muhanda urabizi ntago nabwibagirwa. I have been in the street. Urumva ntabwo nakwibagirwa ubwo buzima. Urumva rero ni nko nanjye ni kuzajya mfasha abandi bana.
Ese nimba wari kuguma muri street aka kanya wari kuba uvuga iki cyongereza cyinshi gutya? No kubonana nawe biba biringora abahizi. niki cyakugoraga guhura n'abantu bakuze bari mu mamodoka muri cyagiye uri mu mihanda?
ni ukumubwira ngo wambaye akajana akagukubita n'urushaho ukagenda uzengera uzana inyenyeri mu ntoki.
Okay. Niki kintu uyu munsi cyo kuba wibuka cyakubayeho mu mihanda cyagiye wabaga mu mihanda?
Ikintu nakoze nanjye nkumva ndarenze simbutse pandagare.
Wasimbutse pandagare? Kandi icyo gihe wari uri mutoya cyane ntabwo ari nk'imyaka.
Icyo gihe nari mfite imyaka 10. Ndasimbuka mba nguye mu mazi. Nkimara gusimbuka
bagufatiye hehe? Bakuriza pandagare
ku
giti cy'inyoni.
Maze ubundi turagenda
kubera iki se bagufashe kwanza utarakomeza story?
Ukuntu bamfashe subizi mayibobo.
Wari uri mayibobo?
Maze ubundi ndagenda nsimbuka pandagare ngwa mu byatsi.
Bagufashe wenyine?
N'abandi ngwa mu byatsi pandagare irahagarara bavamo. Nanjye baraza urumva iyo bari kumfata tegeye sinakuza.
None wese usimbuka iri kugenda cyangwa iri ihagaze?
Ihagaze iri kugenda igishitura igiye mbona twatsinda simbukwa nabo pandagare birahagaze baranyirukangana mu mitabo njya mu mazi ntamenye irengero rya
amazi ya hehe?
Nyabugogo.
Ya Nyabugogo? Uhita winjiramo nk'abamarine?
Urumva njye wambona ubundi hariya gucira ku kiraro cy'abasirikare kumanuka kugeza hariya za Shyorongi no kugenda ureba wegereye Nyabarongo ugarutse inyuma hariya hose ngenda hoga nta na hamwe ntazi.
Uzi no koga noneho?
Urumva wa mayibobo sha utazi koga?
Ntabwo bishoboka.
Nta nubwo bizengera bishoboka. N'umwana hari umwana bitaga Kaburimbo. Yari muto ku buryo muhuye nawe.
Muto kuri wowe?
We reba urugero dore ranga gutya ngana. Ranga gutya nyine meze nicaye. Twaranganaga. Kandi yabaga azi koga ku buryo nyine unyuza imvura yigeze kugwa ari nyinshi cyane tubona akagare mu mazi. Urumva nawe yakundaga amagare. Twebwe twari dufite ubwoba ngo nize twarara ubona mwana agiye nyine twari ko nubwo waba uri mu mazi nakuntu isaha nawe ukaza
uba woroshye.
Maze ubundi arakazana yazakazana nyine gutya ayikurura none ageze ku nkombe aradutabaza turamufasha. Nyine twarayiriye twaraririye.
Igare?
Nese ubundi wari warohora ingurubera?
Gute se?
Hari abana bayirohoye. Nyine ukigura cyari kikuja cyayagaye mu mazi kiba kiguyemo nyine kiragenda kivuga kwa kuntu kwabyo. Umwana n'uwo bana baracyari nabo mayibobo hari barayirohora nyine barayirose ariko sinzi icyo bayikoresheje.
Sasa ya mihanda ya Gasogi muri season 1 wagerageje kuganira n'abana benshi cyane. Hari abana se bagiye bahinduka batekereza ubuzima bwiza batekereza kuva mu mihanda bitewe n'ibintu uri kubaganiriza?
Nyine bamwe na bamwe urumva ariko nta kuntu wava kuri tineri barabyumva nawe. Nta mwana undi warabaye mu muhanda ugacana nyine hari tineri ukaguhumuriza.
Se wowe wanyoye tineri?
Nanjye narayinyweye ariko nje kwikontorora.
N'ibiyobyabwenge bingahe wanyoye cyagiye uri ku muhanda?
Ku muhanda kandi ni ibiyobyabwenge bitatu. Kandi mbinywa noneho icya gatatu cyo sinakivuga.
Kubera iki?
There's the reason.
Okay, no problem. Ibyo bibiri ni
ibyo bibiri se si irange
essence. Irange na essence?
Oya ni bine. Irange, essence, kineri.
Irange sinaryo bararinywa?
Mana we uranyibabarisha. Nese ugira ngo reba irange nyine urarihuta nari ubwa mbere nanjye nkinjiramo nyine sinari mbizi nanyweye irange gutya ku munwa
kandi ntabwo ari uko
nyine bahukurura
umwuka w'irange
ahubwo ndi kugenda mbyibuka na kore narayinyweye
na kore
ibyo ni bitanu
microphone ifate neza none
ibyo si bitanu noneho njye naragendaga nkabona amaso yanjye atangiye kumera gutya tangira kureba gutya nkazajya maze ubundi hari igihe nigeze kunywa kineri niba ntarigeze mbivugaho niyo nkazajya numva nuzi uvuga kompreseri suyizi
kompreseri
ikazajya ivuga ngo waje
ahangaha wari wanyoye tineri
iyo ni tineri noneho nyine icyo cya gatatu icyo cya kinini nanze kuvuga
wanze kuvuga
noneho cyo nari nazubaye nabaye nk'ikigozi nciye umwana burya no kurebaho nari nameze nk'umusinzi noneho cyanshize mu zindara nari mfite icyiza ni uko nari mfite icyo gihe amaraso akundwa na n'ubu ndacyafite
kabisa n'iki gitera mayibobo zose kunywa ibiyobyabwenge
urumva rero wihuriye n'ibibazo ukumva nta kindi kintu wakora ubundi iyo ukinyweyeho bwa mbere takira kwica ntiwazakivaho ariko ngewe sinzi impamvu nakivuyeho
n'iki gituma Gasogi amenya icyongereza vuba vuba byihuse cyane
ni ukubera kiriya kigo urumva niba ari ukugenda uzi amafayini ugahita umenya sakirifayizi byihorere
ni izihe sacrifice wakoze mu buzima bwawe
njye na sakirifayizinze nyine ibintu byinshi cyane reba nko ku ishuri nyine twari twakoze amakosa twari twashakuje nyine muri domo tuzi icyo ari cyo
domitori njye nabaye mu gihe kinini
nyine muri bodingi twari ko twebwe iyo turi muri purayimari hari purayimari hakaba na roko
agiye ugeze mu kangahe kwanza utarakomeza
mu wa gatanu
mu wa gatanu pirimeri segonderi
pirimeri urumva segonderi nawe nahageze ryari noneho uzi ukuntu byabaye baratubwira ngo write the project letter
what
the project letter nyine andika urupapuro rw'ibintu byose wakoze ndabyandika
apology letter okay iyi letter isaba imbabazi apology letter
ibyo ndabikora noneho ku munsi ukurikiye mugenzi wanjye nyine umwana yaranije inkweto nyine za bodaboda noneho mugenzi wanjye my best friend arazambara arazibura maze ubundi abuze inkweto yamuhereza izo nari nambaye nawe yatanze iziwe ku uwo mwana muhereza izo nari nambaye ngenda nambaye izifunze ahita avuga ngo you are my best friend urumva rero sinjye nanjye rero sinzi n'ahantu byari byavuye
okay so when you come back from school and you go see your mom don't you forget to speak in Rwanda and then you start mixing English when you're talking to your mom?
A lot of time. You might find when I'm talking with somebody who doesn't know English and I use English and they said, what did you say? You're abusing me. And they said, no, I don't abuse people like you. Yeah. To speak English, is it meaning that it is abusing?
Not abusing.
And they say that even I don't know what is the meaning of what you are telling me.
So when you're talking to mom and she doesn't understand, what do you do?
And I change and I speak in Rwanda.
You change.
Yeah.
Ibiheruka byagenze gute wamubwiraga ibiki tumuvangira mu cyongereza?
Namubwira. Nyine nko kuri telefone. Ariko ku ishuri hariya. Igihe nandi ku ishuri nshaka ariko tuzi. Namagara mama, how are you? I want to go home. Ahita ambwira. Harya basubiza gute?
wahise ukora iki?
bitamubwira ngo bahita bavuga ukuntu nari navuze nta nubwo yari azi ukuntu nari navuze aramubwira ngo nari navuze ngo mama ngiye kujya mu rugo nyuma ngiye kuza nyine mu rugo ahita avuga ngo umaze kuba umwongereza
ntabwo ufite gahunda yo kumwigisha na Mary icyongereza?
mama erega mama nta nubwo aba ashaka kukimenya ko yisajiye ubundi yakimenya ngo kimumarire iki
kugira ngo muzajye muvugana.
nta nabazo
si ufite gahunda yo kumujyana muri Amerika?
mama ngenda yifite ahubwo sinzi icyo azaba avuga nzamujyana
aziga nyine watangiye kumwigisha none?
nabyo nabikora ariko njyewe nkaba tice ubundi urumva nabikora sinabishobora.
wabimenye se kwigisha?
urumva niba banyigisha ntari namenya kwigisha.
Okay, so what is your dream now, the new dreams you have? You still want to become the soldier, or?
My new dreams is to be a
scientific
of everything in the world. Everything, not to be like a scientific for one thing. No, everything.
So what is corona?
Corona corona is a sickness. It's a virus.
It's a virus, okay.
It has come from like I'm not wearing a face mask. My face mask I have removed it. It means that if I give you handshake, because if I have or you have, I can give you or you give me.
Okay. When you're at school, ni ihe mikino ukunda gukina?
Yes. Nikina
football. Nimero kangahe Gasogi?
Njyewe sinjye ndi umwataka nziza gusa.
Wigeze utsinda igitego muri gukina football?
Byihorere. Ngenda n'abadribbling ari baje mutuntu twa robe. Sho nkahita nsenga na dribbling akipa nka mamayo. Kikaita cinje.
Abakinnyi babiri ukunda ku isi ni bande?
Ronaldo na Messi.
Kubera iki Ronaldo na Messi?
Ariko mbere ni Ronaldo. Ariko se na Ronaldinho wabona gukuna bacamo
ararenze.
urumva nawe is the father of them.
The father of them.
Yeah.
Ronaldinho.
Dore amaguru wajya ngo ni ikirobo. Nka kwa kundi nyine umuntu, if you have ever watched a movie which is for robots, kwa kundi umuntu agukubita inkumi ukabona ni Rolanti. Urumva noneho we yarabacengaga abona amaguru yabo ari kuza Rolanti.
Ese Gasogi, warabaye mu mihanda, wabaye mayibobo marine ibiki byose wabikuyemo. Iyo wabonye abana bo mu mihanda wumva bimeze gute?
Nanjye ntabwo mba nishimye, mba nibaza ngo se abo uyu wabaye kuki. Nshimye yuko nanjye ntakirimo uyu wese awameze.
Last time tuvugana warambwiye ngo ufite imishinga ushaka kwigisha kandi abantu bakuze. Ufite imishinga?
Imwe ya hatari. Nk'abantu bakuze bazamamagara. Kuri 08112.
Ambasha izo ni nimero zawe?
Nazo ariko bazimba.
Arashaka kuturagira nakumve ngo nimero kangahe? Ambasha mbabarira Gasogi. Ntago zibaho. Izimbwenda zihamagara.
088
noze 088
12 12 9
mbabarira yahidekera ngaho izo ntago ari zawe namenye nyirazo.
Wabonye zifitemo.
Okay, iyo mishinga basi twigishe nk'imishinga ibiri yonyine.
Imishinga ibiri.
Nk'umuntu uvuye ku ishuri noneho yize ibintu byinshi afite imishinga ashaka kwigisha abantu bakuru, iyo mishinga ni iyihe?
Njye mfite imishinga myinshi.
Fata neza microphone.
Noneho reba nka buriya. Buriya nshaka kuzakora inuzi. Iyo uwa mbere wa wundi nyine nawe urahuze. Nigeze kukubwira gukora imodokari. Imodoka.
Gukanika cyangwa gukora imodoka?
Gukora imodoka nk'iriya yawe ukayikora. OG.
Bayikora gute?
Noneho ukuntu bikora. Ubu byagenda. nyine ababaji nibo babikora urongera utari umubaji naba iyo ni idea ndi kubahereza
bahereze idea none unabareba hari
reba urubaho nyine zazindi ziba zimeze utyo nkariya modokari subiza yuko se ku rubaho uragenda ugatubaraho akantu kameze gutyo k'amapine nyine ukagenda ko bitangiye ko ntangiye kubyibagirwa
basi mbwira wa mushinga rekane n'imodoka wa mushinga
w'amafi abantu nkamwe noneho mwabuze amafaranga mwazifata indobani mukajya kuroba ubundi nubwo waba uri umukiwe ushatse kumbwira yuko amafi utaye aryo gahaga nubwo nta kintu yakora nyine ku bandi ariko yakora ikintu mu gifu
ese umuntu yajya kuroba atazi no kuroba
genda ufate indobani ufate umuntu cyangwa ugenda wica igikeri uvaneho itako ryacyo ushyire kunuza kariya kaboro k'agashinge kaba kari ku ndobani ushyireho unake mu mazi uzazamura ifi
mu minota ingahe
igihe nawe uzumva ikintu kiri kukaryaho cyangwa cyafashwe uzaze tunagenda nanabikora ubireba
unyigisha
nanabikwigisha
so ubu ni umushinga urimo kwigisha abantu
nawe ni umushinga azajyanga abarobyi nabo ni ibigoryi
ntabwo baba ari ibigoryi
kandi urumva niba urobye inshonzi ukagenda ukayiteka neza ukayirya si yakuryohera ukayijyana n'ubugari
hari undi mushinga warimo kumbwira
harya nyine wunyibutsa
ntabwo nibuka so ufite mwinshi
ndawibutse noneho kambabwire another idea uzagende iwawe ufate amafaranga unyoherereze kuri ya namba nyine nubwo wavuze yuko wamenye nyirayo unayishyireho bayirebe maze ubundi ngewe umamagare umbwire ngo iyo idea ni iyihe iyo ngiyo ni iy'amafaranga
iyo nimero ni iya mama wawe nayibonye
ni iya mama ariko nyine mama ni nka manager byose
so manager bamwohereze ubigisha imishinga ivuge basi nabyemeye noneho
namba 08212
ufite speed cyane buhoro
eraganya ni nka flash
tugende buhoro twumve
0 karindwi mwabyanditse 8 1 2 karindwi ebyiri urumva niba utazi karindwi ebyiri ni karindwi icyenda gatanu kabiri zikaba ziruzuye
none izo nimero abantu bazikoresha iki
izo ngizo nuzazihamagara aho uzambona maze ubundi nguheze idea
bashyiremo n'akantu
urumva nyine my knowledge, do you think I can use it for nothing?
It can't be for free.
Yeah, when you are in the world, in the world, you might Gukamirika. Also, I have the song which is called Gukamirika.
Gukamirika.
Yeah.
Reka none twinjire muri music. Gasogi turapiraga neza cyane kera. Se music warayipohesheje?
Nayipohesheje. Wagiye ureka kumbabaza nkabo. Urumva niho mbona amafaranga.
Muri music?
Urabeshya ngo bimarire.
Sasa muri corona ukubitaye ibitaramo kugira ngo ubone inoti.
Muri corona nta n'igira igitaramo nayo nakora. Urumva noneho muri corona niba ukeka yuko wagenda nta gapfukamunwa wambaye uzabigerageza uzareba uzajyamo nyine bazakwaka 15 nibashaka bazakwaka 1,100 ko nawe uzaba wiziye.
Music none bimeze gute?
Music bimeze neza.
Abantu barimo gutegereza music ya Gasogi ngoma abandi barambwiye ngo Gasogi na yararetse music ngo ari kwiga tu.
Noneho ngiye kukubwira kandi ko nye nta muntu byumva
kankubite.
Noneho music igiza nyine bundi narayisohoye ko ntagira ajya hanze harabura video rero kuwa mbere muzaba muyibona YouTube.
Oh, so ingoma ugiye kugaruka no muri music bakubite.
Byihorere. Nitwika. Undi hari ubundi babyita gutwika wapi. Gutwika se wapi. Gutwika na biroroshye.
Nshaka ijambo rishaka.
Gushiririza.
Gushiririza. None ugiye gushiririza.
Urumva watwitse ntago hashirira. Ibyo bita gushirira.
Wallahi urare.
Hashiririza hagenda haba umukara.
Chano yawe yagiye hese ko barambwiye ngo.
Ubu noneho chano nshyashya mfite ngenda ndebere kuri Gasogi Official.
Gasogi Official. Niyo chano yawe nshyashya.
Iyo niyo chano nshyashya.
Ya indi ya kera se byaje kugenda gute?
Iri abara byaranararangiye.
Ni bande se bayikuriye?
You know, before I was with Rose. But now he's not my sponsor, no? I have another sponsor from in Rwanda. He's good sponsor, not like others. Yeah.
Okay. So ufite na channel nshyashya?
Iyo channel ni nshyashya
yitwa Gasogi Official. Ntabwo ushaka se udusub?
Ahubwo mujye muri benshi. Ntarya bahamaje kugera abangahera.
Last time nyireba wari yarifite bakeya nimba ari angahe nimba ari 10 nabangaye ariko yari nshyashya.
Noneho namwe mujye maze ubundi byujure miliyoni 5.
Kabisa muri Gasogi Official.
Gasogi Official. Ariko nyine hagiye mwagenda ubundi hariho hari indirimbo zanjye. Neshatu
harimo imwe.
Imwe.
Nabonye imwe gusa.
Niba harimo imwe noneho
n'izindi si wazishizeho se.
Niba ahubwo zirarara ziri ariko se. Ubundi umuntu avuga ibi nabishira mu bikorwa.
Kabisa.
Mutazaceka ariko twe tuba tubabeshya.
Nta mpamvu yo kubabeshya. Ikibi cy'imihanda. Imihanda ububi bw'imihanda. Kuko wayibayemo gihe kinini urayizi cyane. Ibintu bibi mu mihanda ni ibi.
Ibintu bibi mu muhanda ni byose. Nta na kimwe cyiza kibamo. Cyiza kibamo hari ukugenda gusa ukibona amafaranga.
Amafaranga se wayabona mu mihanda?
Uzagende uterure noneho nuterura kangubwira akantu nkawe. Uzishyireho indi sura. Ugende mu mihanda uzareba akantu. Uzagende ukore nyine uzagende uterure isipana y'abandi bagufata bazagukubita ukuguru bazagutendeka. Ubundi uzataha ahari ukuguru hari umutwe. Noneho ahari umutwe hari ukuguru.
Arya ahantu warimo kumbwira cya gihe ni Gitagara ahantu ugeze kujya? Gitagata. Wagiye gukora iki?
Byumva ababizi nyine ubundi nesa Gitagata ujyayo ugiye gukora iki gufungwa nk'abandi bose.
Baragufunze?
Baramfunze.
Wari wakoze iki se Gasogi?
Ni ibisanzwe nk'amayibobo ubwo ushatse ko mbwira ko bagufata hariya uri nk'amayibobo wambaye bikugaragara ukambwira yuko barakubabaye. Bajyana umushenze mu Gitagata. Ko ngewe cyizari ndi umutekamitwe. Mfite umutwe umwe ariko nyine nateka igihumbi. Urumva rero
wavuyeyo gute se?
Naciye mu mazi.
Mu mazi? Urabeshya amazi wakiyemo gute?
Amazi naciyemo neza. Nese ubundi amazi baracamo nabi. Nagiye noga ko ari urutoki. Mfata inuza mfata imitumba ndayiteranya nshyira mu mazi turigendera.
Wari uri kumwe nande?
Nawe nyine nandi njyenyine.
Wenyine?
Njyenyine. Muri biriya bizi cyoho. Njyenyine.
Itawambuka?
Ndambuka ariko. Genda mfite uzi ibyo bita kugashya. Nafashe imyuko. Imyuko nyine. Yari ndayiba. Noneho nkazajya nigashira nigenda. Kiza Imana iranku. Kiza nuko ntigeze nsangamo umuhengeri. Ubundi kunkubita upo. Ukangeza nkaho.
Ese ubundi Gasogi akunda iki?
Gasogi ni umwana witonda, umwana w'umusore.
Urakobagana sha uritonda?
Nditonda.
Okay.
This is when you put it in opposite.
Yeah.
Eh.
Take 5. Eh.
Noneho njyewe n'ikindi kintu njye nkunda urumva gukubagana ntibyabura ndabikunda cya kabiri nkunda kwiga cya gatatu nkunda kugira ubwenge bwinshi nibyo nemera.
Icyiza cyo kukubagana ni ikihe?
Simbizi.
Kubera iki kukubagana kandi
nanjye simbizi.
ntabwo ubizi? Wigeze
njye nshiduka ndi kukubagana.
Wigeze urwana se ku ishuri?
Njye nta nubwo njya ndwana ku ishuri, njye ni umwana mwiza. Nta munsi n'umwe nari narwana.
Urabeshya.
Kurwana byanananiye no gufunga ingumi simbizi.
Mbashya ntabwo ari injuga.
Njye mfunga ingumi intoki zikavunika.
Okay. Ubushize warambwiye kuri Bermuda Triangle.
Triangle Bermuda.
Ubu ngubu ni iki kindi kirenze wagikoreye ubushakashatsi ukakimenya?
Ikindi kirenze muri Pacific Ocean. Niho usangamo nyine muri deep kure cyane mo rwagati.
Deep in the ocean.
Maze ubundi niwe ugenda ugasangamo nyine
ubutunzi.
Za Madame Samake niho ziba. Deep.
Ariko Madame Samake urazikunda?
Ndazikunda, barakubeshya. Ari ukugufata ikagushuna bikarangira.
Urazikunda kuko kenshi umbwira ngo za Madame Samake.
None nyine urabyumva iyo umuntu ari kuri research.
Madame Samake se zibaho kweri cyangwa ni inkuru za kera zo kutubeshya?
Zibaho.
Ziri he? Yahe.
Ziri mu mazi Pacifique, Atlantique n'izindi nyanja. Ndetse no mu Kivu hari.
Zirimo? Mu Kivu zirimo?
Mu Kivu hari
ziba zimeze gute se Madame Samake? Bajya bambwira ngo Madame Samake. Wowe nk'umuntu wakoze research.
Uzi ukuntu ziba zimeze? Usanga gutya ari umuntu. Uteye neza ufite amata mu mazi. Ariko ugasanga ni igifi kibereye aho.
Ziba zifite se amenyo?
Noneho ushatse kumwe ariko munini nk'umuntu. Ahubwo nyine ikintu dutandukaniraho nuko twebwe abantu dufite inuza nyine dufite nuko twebwe abantu dufite amaguru. Ariko nyine ibinyama Madame Samake ariko nyine na za Madame Samake iyo ziraza ku butaka zikihindura.
Uwe na Madame Samake wabigenza gute?
Byose nayikubita.
Kubera iki?
Nayikubita ikagenda ikanzanira amafaranga.
Iyavanye hehe?
Mu mazi.
Mu mazi hari amafaranga?
Harimo na za kese za zahabu.
Zigiyemo gute?
Ese ni gute ubundi zahabu ziba mu butaka? Zagejejwemo.
Ni gute se ziba mu mazi?
Ni ukubera yuko nyine nuko Imana yabiremye.
Okay. So reka tugaruke muri holiday mu gihe utari ku ishuri ugiye gukora iki?
Nyine ngiye gukomeza ya projet.
Ihe?
Ya indi nyine Gasogi yasubiye ku muhanda.
Imihanda ya Gasogi.
Imihanda ya Gasogi. Noneho niyo ngiye gukomeza. Nkakomeza na za research zanjye nanazishyira mu bikorwa.
Akazi k'ikayingo kazasohoka ryari?
Kuwa mbere izabiri hanze.
Wayikoze wenyine?
Ariko nyine hari n'undi mukobwa uri.
Sigaye uririmba n'abakobwa?
Oya. Nyine ni ibya karasi.
Yakuririmbiye chorus? Wayidusogongeza se cyangwa ntabwo irasohoka?
Oya birabujijwe. You know when you sing something when it's not yet go out.
Yeah.
It's not allowed. You might find when somebody take it away.
Okay, thank you so much. We can stand up and we go. But when we are going, I want to know if you find yourself in America like today, what can you do?
For me, what am I going to do? I'm going to first get money, a lot of money, and I'll be like the first person in Rwanda who has a lot of money. and I go in the street.
So how can you get that money? You know, to get money is not easy everywhere in the world. Even in America, it's not easy.
Yeah, it is not easy, but there's a lot of job you can do.
Like what?
Can be taxman,
Uh-huh.
you can be a singer,
Uh-huh.
a lot.
Mm.
And you can be a mad.
A mad?
Yeah. And also you can be
Yeah.
a beggar.
Yeah.
Yeah, things like that.
Okay. Do you see that is Kigali? That is town.
Yeah, that is town. You know, Kigali Rubatsari.
Eh.
Kigali ntabwo ari nka mbere mbere so shaho ugira ngo uko wahoraga uhura na nyakatsi.
Mm. So if you look properly there, what do you see?
I see etage,
Uh-huh.
house, ibigori.
Not here.
Eh.
Just there.
Yeah.
The other side.
House,
Mhm.
trees, and also etage is a house like other.
Eh.
Yeah.
Okay. Now since you have come to see me,
And also mountains.
even mountains, yeah?
Yeah.
People say that Rwanda is beautiful.
Yeah, even it is handsome.
Hey, it is even handsome.
Yeah. How is it that isn't it in Rwanda?
Yeah.
Boys, there are very many. Let me tell you something.
Uh-huh.
Somewhere there is a lot of boys.
Uh-huh.
Even if there is girls,
Yeah.
we say that there is handsome.
Uh-huh.
Somewhere there is a lot of girls.
You say
You say
beautiful. Mm-hmm.
it means that Rwanda is handsome.
And even
Because-
beautiful.
But no, because boys.
Rwanda
very
is beautiful.
many. How is it that way? It's beautiful. Is it full of girls only?
Full of boys and girls.
It is full of boys.
Uh-huh.
A lot of boys. Is like how many people are in Rwanda? Isn't it? Is 13 millions.
13 million.
Yeah.
Take 5.
Yeah.
How do you know that?
Even if I got to research about that.
So in Rwanda we have 13 million people.
Yeah.
Eh.
But also I ask myself,
Uh-huh.
but if I hack,
Eh.
yeah,
You hack.
and I said that
Eh.
Rwanda it is
Mm.
TDR people
Mm-hmm.
in the Rwanda
Mm-hmm.
it is like 1,000
Mm.
millions
Mm.
of people. Yeah. So
And which country is most populated in the world?
in the world,
Mm.
because it's China.
China.
Yeah.
Ah! The second country
India.
populated, India.
Yeah.
You guys, you're so clever, man. Third one.
America.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Aha.
Yes. So now I'm gonna take you somewhere.
Yeah, you are going to. Yeah, we are going to buy something.
Hey,
Open the
what do
car.
you want?
Yeah, for me.
So you know when we meet, we have to pass the supermarket there.
Yeah,
we buy things,
and also we eat like Fanta,
Uh-huh.
things like that. That's we enter in your car. Yeah.
Okay, let's go, man. No problem.
Ah. Life is good. Life is good.
Life is good. Tell them.
Yeah, you know, life is good. How is it that you can? When I was in the street, even I could not go in Togo, but now I'm walking in a car.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Tell them.
and see, now I'm okay. That is why we say life is good.
Life is good, eh? And so today when we are going to the supermarket, we're not going to shop people. Let me take you there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me
We
take you
won't
to
shop, we will eat.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
we are going to eat now, and everything is good.
Yeah.
Can you say bye-bye to your people? They're watching you now.
Bye, my fans. You
Mhm.
know, even if you
Your
can-
what?
my fans,
My fans.
my fans,
Eh.
and also you know, but when I'm still on Earth,
Mhm.
things is fire.
Fire them.
Yeah.
Tell them.
It means that now
Mhm.
you are going to see that song.
Mm.
You are going to give up the Bruce melodies,
Uh-huh.
people like that. They are going to cool down.
Eh.
For me, you will cool up.
You're gonna cool
I'm
out.
not going to show off. I'm going to show on.
Aha. Take 5.
Bye, my fans.
Yeah. Y-
For me on Big Town.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is where I live.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, bye.
Okay. Nice. That's what's up, man. Ndi kumwe na Gaso G. Gahunda za cyakomeza ni kwa kunda. I told you, man. My people. Let's go, man. Umungu nje kumujyana ahantu maze tujye kuryoshya tu. Murabizi iyo twahuye n'umuhungu wanje, everything is good. So big up to yourself. Icyo ugomba gukora no gukanda subscribe and then ask me what is going on. I'm gonna tell you. Mukanya gatoya. Tell them.
nk'iki gihe
ehe
byihorere uzi ikigiye kuba njye buriya ndi kubivuga mwe ntago mu byumva urumva none imagine when I'm very happy like this things is going to be fire.
Fire.
Now it means that go and subscribe and you click on that inzogera. Yeah.
Subscribe ninzogera.
Yeah.
Yes.
And follow me. Me and Bakti.
For real, man.
Fire.
Yeah.
So bye bye.
Yeah, ni byoroshye birakomeye ariko tugomba kubikora. Stay there. Wowe urimo kurikirana Big Town TV. Until next time. Ciao ciao.